Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Parshikar studying in Standard 10 at Vidya Pratishtan's New Bal Vikas Mandir Pimpri Baramati. I stand before you to explain the cell nucleus. We all know that cells are the building blocks of all living matter. Cell organelles are specialized subunits which have specific functions and are usually located inside the cell. Teamwork leads to greater efficiency. Whatever be the job, a complete set of people in coordination can make it possible. But the team is considered incomplete without a leader. The leader is the one who assigns the job to the team members and makes it complete. The same analogy can be used in the case of cell organelles. The cellular organelles are the team members and the cell nucleus is the team leader. Now let us move on to the main topic. The nucleus is mainly made of nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is a double-layered membrane which covers the entire organelle and separates the contents of nucleus from the cytoplasm. Nucleus also contains nuclear matrix which gives mechanical support to the nucleus. Now let's talk about the structure and function of nucleus. The nucleus is not less than the control center of the cell. It controls and regulates the activities of cells such as metabolism, growth, etc. It is also responsible for protein synthesis and differentiation. The nucleus also contains nucleolus, which are small bodies often seen within the nucleus. Now you might be wondering, what is nucleolus? Nucleolus are responsible for ribosome biogenesis. Also, there is a gel-like matrix present inside the nucleus. It is known as nucleoplasm. It is similar to the cytoplasm of the cell. The nucleoplasm is made of water and salt solution and also contains some enzymes. Nucleoplasm also helps to maintain the shape of the nucleus. The nucleoplasm provides the medium for RNA and DNA subunits to travel across the nucleus. Various substances are exchanged in between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm through the nuclear pores. Now you might be wondering, what are nuclear pores? A nuclear pore is a protein-lined channel that is surrounded by nucleoplasm and the nuclear envelope that regulates the transportation of molecules. Nucleus also consists of chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, which are the code of genetic material, and some proteins. When a cell is resting, that is, not dividing, the chromosomes are long entangled threads known as chromatin. The chromatin and the chromosomes are one and the same. A gene is a unit of information inside DNA that controls how the living thing should be like. The genes are passed on from parents to offspring. Some genes act as instructions to make molecules called as proteins. However, many genes do not code for proteins. In humans, genes vary from sizes, from a few hundred DNA bases to more than 200 million DNA bases. I hope you understood this interesting concept. I would like to thank our principal, Mrs. K. A. Barakar, and our subject teacher, Mrs. Dipali Vedpatal.